Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Glass Ultra staking platform. I'm going to have a link to it in the description. That link will take you straight to the platform. First, I'm going to be doing a compounding demo to show you how much your estimated daily drip can go up. Currently, my estimated daily drip is 2.7 billion. So I'm just going to compound my rewards really quick. And just so you know, compounding will save you 30% on fees instead of just claiming and then depositing right after. Alright, so as you can see, my estimated daily drip has gone up. Not significantly, but my daily drip will go up as soon as Sunday comes around, where the majority of the total claimable will either claim or compound the rewards. And as you can see, by compounding, I also received 6 lottery tickets, and 6 are subtracted from my purchasable compound tickets. Alright, to add on to lottery tickets, one ticket is going to cost you about 3 billion glass, and right here you have a set amount of how many tickets you could purchase. So your max for deposit is 50 tickets, and your max for compounding is also 50 tickets. To add on to lottery, the lottery prize at the moment is 4.7 trillion. That lottery split between 10 people, so about 500 billion per each person. That lottery is drawn weekly. It is completely random, and everyone has a fair chance of getting in and getting rewards. But if you do end up winning the lottery and you end up claiming it, you incur a 33% fee on that claim, and if you end up compounding it, you end up getting the whole prize just to yourself. Now, the Glass staking platform also has another feature called the daily largest, where someone can outsnipe what the current largest deposit is, and then get what the current largest prize is for that day. Alright, so the daily largest is based off a cumulative deposit. So someone can deposit 500 billion, someone can outsnipe him for 550 billion, and the first person that deposited 500 billion can deposit an additional 100 billion, and that makes his deposit 600 billion, and he would win the largest deposit. Alright, if your only goal is to win the daily largest prize, you should go for that on Saturdays and Sundays. But if you want a percentage of what the current prize share is, you need to deposit more than what the current minimum deposit is to be eligible for that prize share. Currently, this is the person with the most prize share. Anyone could outsnipe him. The person with the most prize share gets the amount and an extra 50 tickets on top of that. Alright, so let's talk about how this platform and these rewards function. So these rewards are based off of a 2% daily drip that is guaranteed, and then you're also guaranteed rewards from people constantly depositing into the contract. Now, if you have a 10 to 20% ROI, meaning your net claim is about 10 to 20% of what your current deposit is, you will earn more rewards than if your ROI was 50+%. Meaning fresh and bigger deposits are going to pay better. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to feed the YouTube algorithm, and comment down below what else you'd like to see.